Kawai ke dukan bam ke batmai ke badan harud surok RR Colony Rynjah hajan ke jingking umpling. Lapri pajba akas ngisak jain ke ar tarik no para arjana paulai. Ia kene ke dukan bam ke belajar kerteng The Mountain Whisper. Kabalong try the Faiz Khan. Lapri pajba ketika sengi ke jingdan langkah kemi kibahi ngasem nalor kiwe. Faiz Khan haba keren sekila patai kubur ulai tu. Ba ke bapenlong u banbu udah kene ke restoran. Kalau ban penurlong ke ke bawah semutanat. Baru ban ai mensim kiwe pat kisamla bakinla Pynïeng hala ke jong kijat. Haga nega sengi la pencung shiru da ka jing tem jing put ka jing ruai bad od ya uke ka balong sibenta ka jing pli ba ya ka nega restoran.
Good luck, Faiz. Yay! Okay. Very good. Faiz will give mommy, papa, and yeah. And papa. Amazing. And auntie. And then cup. And for you also. Oh yes. Good luck. Good luck, son. Thank
So my name is Faiz Khan. I am living in Shillong now. I'm staying in Rynjah. This is my mother, Shonali Khan. I'm a music producer. I've written a few albums, and my mom is doing some work. You can talk about your work.
So hi everyone, I'm Shonali Khan. I work for an international non-profit and we work on education with children. But here more I am as Faiz's mom, helping him actually start off his restaurant, the Mountain Whisper in Rynjah. We are super proud of him. He's a musician and this is his first entrepreneurial venture. So we are here to support him.
Actually, my mom, is from here. She's born here. She's raised here. So most of her entire family actually going back.
His great grandfather came here
1920.
Nearly 100 years ago. He was
over 100 years ago now, and they settled in Jehau. He was, fought for civil rights and law for the Khaji community. And my grandfather was in the Air Force. And my mom, all her siblings, they were all raised here. So there is these, strong roots. And I myself never had the experience and the time with my grandfather because he passed away before I could meet him. But his dream was always to come back because he was traveling so much. He moved, he moved around a lot. So they had to eventually sell off their land here and move. But he, I think, had that regret in him. But after some time, I think that feeling of coming home came back to my mom. and then she also wanted to come up, but then she was so busy with work in Delhi and all. So, after COVID, I myself was lost. I didn't know where to, I didn't know what to do next. The music scene was not as vibrant as it was before COVID. So I decided, where do I go? So my mother gave me this amazing advice that why don't you go and see your roots? Why don't you go and see your hometown? So I came here and immediately I felt this sense of, like this is the place for me. The people, the culture, the history, my family history, it all kind of came back, and I felt like my grandfather was kind of welcoming me back home, and and I've always had a passion for food and music, and I wanted to create something here, to have that to show our history, our family history, such a strong history we have here. So I just spoke to some people, some family members, found this amazing place, and it just clicked for me. So this is why we started this restaurant. The thought was, I am a foodie. I love eating. I love all kind of different cuisines, especially Chinese cuisine, and things like comfort food. And I feel like the Shillong Chinese is comfort food. The taste, the flavors, they remind you of home, I feel like. So that was the idea. I originally wanted this, like a gym and health food. I wanted to start a center. But then I realized, let's just focus on one thing for now. And that's how I came up with this idea of, let's just start giving good food, food that's made by people here and things that people love. So that was the initial thought.